Welcome to DIY It All. In this video you will see a step-by-step guide showing how to install GTS Style OLED taillights on BMW F30 M3. However, the same or very similar process is applicable to most types of taillights in BMWs from year 2010 to 2020. Begin by removing 10 screws indicated by yellow arrows in this picture. They hold the boot lid trim in place. Be aware that 2 screws are hidden behind the warning triangle as well. Before removing the boot lid trim, make sure that boot support arm covers are taken off beforehand. And once the boot lid trim is taken off, we can move on to removing the boot carpet and scratch protection trim piece, followed by removal of battery and wheel arch covers. With trim pieces out of the way, we can remove both pieces of taillights, boot lid light and a rear wing light. The light on the boot is removed by loosening the bolt shown in this clip. The light on the wing is removed by undoing 2 bolts and simply wiggling it out. Note that when fitting back, the pin pointed in this clip needs to go in first, and only then bolts should be tightened. The lights we are fitting are sequential, therefore both pieces have to be linked with each other. Additional cable can be routed via the air vent on the side of the wing. Once the cable is fed through the air vent, it should run along the boot support arm. In our case, the cable was slightly too short, so we had to cut and extend it. When lights are fitted, just follow everything in reverse order to reinstall trim panels. Hopefully this video was helpful. Many thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing to this channel for more DIY videos. All the best!